Good morning and welcome to the E class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. Today we are going to study Science of Standard 8, chapter number 6, Combustion and Flame, part 2. So children, till now we have studied about the combustion, types of the combustion, okay. Now let us see the structure of a flame. How is the flame and what kind of, we are talking about that they are having structures, okay. The substance which vaporizes during burning gives flame. For example, kerosene oil, molten wax rise through the wick and are vaporized during burning and form flames. Okay, so whenever the kerosene oil or molten wax rise, that wick is produced, na, that flame banta hai yellow orange wala, that is known as flame. Charcoal on the other hand does not vaporize and so does not produce a flame. So flame production is due to the flame formation is due to the vaporization of the heat. Okay, that wick is formed due to the vaporization. Let us see the activity. Here you can see candle is there and here there is one slide, transparent slide we are burning over here. Okay, if we are holding with a tongue, okay, this is a tongue जिससे हम उसको पकड़ेंगे किसको, slide. So by the help of the tongue we are holding this slide and then we are burning it. उसकी flame को हम touch कर रहे हैं continuously for 10 seconds. Okay, then what will happen? After that we will remove it. We will see this. After removing, एक black spot we can observe on it. Okay, a black spot we can observe. Why? Because the deposition has been occurred of that flame. Okay, that carbon particles which are emitted from that flame, they are present on this flame, on this slide, and the formation of the black color. Okay, let us see in detail. When the candle flame is steady, introduce a clean glass plate and slide into the luminous zone. We will talk about what are the different zones of the flame, okay, in our next topic. Hold it there with a pair of tongs for about 10 seconds. Okay, we have hold it with the tongue, this slide under the steady candle. और ये जो flame का जो area है, that is the luminous zone. Okay, and after that we will remove it. A circular black ring is formed on the glass plate or a slide. It indicates the deposition of unburnt carbon particles present in the luminous zone of the flame. ये जो luminous zone है candle के अंदर, okay, yellow वाला part, okay, that has been given the carbon particle जो burn नहीं हुआ. That's why this is present on this black, in the black formation. Goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver. So goldsmith used this luminous zone. Okay. Let us see the different zones of candle flame. Here you can see the candle is burning, wax of the candle. Children, this is very important. It comes in 4 to 5 marks and in this you have to label it. सिर्फ draw करके नहीं छोड़ देना है. There are no marks of drawing, but you have to draw it properly and also label it properly. Okay, children? So let us see the different parts. See, the outer zone is of blue. ये जो बाहर होगा ना वो blue color का होगा. When if I have ever seen the flame in the gas, तो blue color का होता है. Okay, that is complete combustion. Okay, अभी middle zone, that is partial combustion and it is of a yellow color. And the innermost is the zone where unburnt wax vapors. तो यहाँ black color का कुछ दिखेगा. Okay, this outermost zone, that is which is of blue color, it is the hottest part, and in the middle which is the yellow color, that is moderate hot, and this, that is the innermost area, that is the least hot area. So everything you have to mention in this different zones of candle flame. that which are the hottest part, उसका complete combustion है या नहीं, partial combustion है या नहीं, everything you have to mention when it is asked. Okay children? What is a fuel? The sources of heat energy for domestic and industrial purposes are mainly wood, charcoal, petrol, kerosene, etc. These substances are called fuels. So, this is a fuel definition. जो भी sources है जिससे हमें heat energy available मिल रहा है, okay, we are getting available, and for what things we are using, for domestic and for the industrial purposes, and that substance is known as fuels. A good fuel is one which is readily available, okay, easily available होना चाहिए. It should be cheap. It burns easily in air at a moderate rate. ऐसा नहीं कि वो catches fire very easily. It should not be that much also vigorous or spontaneous. It should be moderate. It produces a large amount of heat. It does not leave behind any undesirable substances. But are our fuel following all these things? No, not at all. ये जो last point है, that no undesirable substances should be left. Is it so? No. If it would be there, तो हमारा pollution नहीं होता ना. So it is not like that. These things are, is it cheap? No, it's not cheap. It's getting more and more costlier. So it should be in this criteria, but it is not going in this criteria. There is probably no fuel that could be considered as an ideal fuel. We should look for a fuel which fulfills most of the requirement for a particular use. Fuels differ in their cost. Some fuels are cheaper than others. Now let us see the next topic, that is fuel efficiency. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value. So, जो heat produce हो रहा है, heat energy that is getting produced at the burning of 1 kg, okay, that is its calorific value. What calorific value? जो उसका heat liberation है, heat energy का liberation है at the burning of 1 kg. That is its calorific value. Children, this is also very important. It can come in 1 or 2 marks. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in a unit called calorific joule per kg. ये unit भी आता है for 1 mark. See, there are different kinds of fuels, and here there are different kinds of value that are kilojoule per kg. Here you can see different kinds of fuel. Cow dung cake 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoule per kg, wood 17,000 to 22,000. In this way, the hydrogen fuel has the maximum. Okay, so that is 1,50,000 kilojoule per kg. 1 kg hydrogen लेंगे तो 1,50,000 calorific value we will get. Okay, children, this is very important. It is coming every time. It is coming in 1 or 2 marks. That write the caloric value of 3 to 4 fuels, or write the dash is the calorific value of wood, dash is the calorific value of methane, in this way. So you have to learn this whole table. Burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Let us see which kind of products and how it is getting harmful to us also. The increasing fuel consumption has powerful effect on the environment. First is carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum releases unburned carbon particles. These fine particles are dangerous pollutants causing respiratory disease such as asthma. क्यों लोगों को ज़्यादा अस्थमा हो रहा है? Why? Because of the highest amount of use of the fuel nowadays. Okay, and this carbon fuels like wood and petroleum release unburned carbon particles, which enters in our respiratory system and create diseases. Second is incomplete combustion of these fuels give carbon monoxide gas, that is CO. CO, only CO. ठीक है, सिर्फ सी का एक पार्टिकल, एक एटम एंड ऑक्सीजन का एक एटम, नॉट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। इट इज़ अ वेरी पॉइजनस गैस, इट इज़ डेंजरस टू बर्न कोल इन अ क्लोज्ड रूम। अगर हमने कोल को क्लोज्ड रूम में बंद करके बर्न किया, then the carbon monoxide gas produced and can kill the person sleeping in that room. Combustion of most fuels releases carbon dioxide in the environment. Increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the air is believed to cause global warming. Why? Because जितना carbon dioxide level ज़्यादा होगा उतना ही amount of temperature will increase. So due to this condition, the high amount of carbon dioxide and no that much trees are there, so what will happen? The temperature will rise, and that is due to the global warming. So our last is burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas, that is SO2. It is an extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. वो बहुत ज़्यादा सफोकेशन क्रिएट करता है. ओके, मोरओवर पेट्रोल इंजन्स गिव्स ऑफ गैसियस ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. एक सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड बहुत डेंजरस है, नाइट्रोजन गैसेज आर ऑल्सो वेरी डेंजरस. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen gas dissolve in rainwater and forms acid rain. Such rain is called acid rain. It is very harmful for crops, buildings and soil. Taj Mahal is getting converted into yellow. Why? Because of this acid rain. The use of diesel and petrol as fuels in automobiles is being replaced by CNG, that is compressed natural gas, because CNG produces the harmful products in a very small amount. CNG is a cleaner fuel as comparative to the petrol and diesel. So this were the compressed natural gas. This was the full form of CNG that can also come in 1 mark. So these are the disadvantages of using of the coal. Children, so your home assignment is to write the question and answers in your science notebook and write objectives in your science textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.